Today I'm going to teach you how to fix the missing Buy It Now button on Shopify product pages. This is a common issue that can seriously impact your sales, so let's get this sorted out quickly. First, head over to your browser and type in shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your Shopify account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your store. Once you're on the home page, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. Click on Online Store. This section is where you control the look and functionality of your storefront, including themes and page layouts. After clicking Online Store, you'll see your current theme displayed. Right beside your theme name, you'll notice a button that says Edit Theme. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up the theme editor where you can customize how your products and pages appear to customers. Now at the top of the screen, you'll see a button labeled Homepage. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Product and then click on Default Products. This takes you to the specific template that controls how your individual product pages are structured. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a list of sections that make up your product page. Look for and click on Product Information. This section contains all the key elements that appear on your product pages, including images, descriptions, and most importantly, your buy buttons. Within the product information section, find and click on Buy buttons. This is the area that controls whether the Buy It Now button appears on your product pages. If this section is misconfigured, the button won't show up for your customers. Once you've clicked on Buy buttons, shift your attention to the right side of the screen. Here you'll see various settings related to your purchase buttons. Make sure to enable dynamic checkout buttons by toggling the switch on. This feature allows customers to skip the cart and go straight to checkout, which is what the Buy It Now button does. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. On the upper right corner of the screen, click Save. Your changes will be applied, and the Buy It Now button should now appear on your product pages. And there you have it. Your Buy It Now button should now be visible on your Shopify product pages, making it easier for customers to complete their purchases quickly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.